Hello designer, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gigi. I'm a fashion designer based in London. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this one-piece swimsuit. The sewing pattern is available to download in the description below. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, designer. Those are the pieces that you need to cut. All the information is going to be in the pattern file. Place right side together, pin in the neck seam, armhole seam and on the side seam. Blood stitch in your sewing machine first, just to make it easier for us. Attach elastic where we just sew. I'm using my overlock machine, but if you don't have an overlock machine, you can use your sewing machine, but just make sure your sewing machine is set to a zigzag stitch. Get your back piece, place right side together and pin. Turn right side together. And save that for later. Place your back piece right side together and pin on the sides. This is a seamless back seam, so the seam is going to be on the middle. Turn right side together and your seam is going to be on the center. Blood stitch the bottom seam, and I'm also blood stitch my back pieces. Fold your stripe right side together and pin. You can add elastic as well now if you like, or you can do afterward. You can also add elastic now if you like, but I prefer doing this way. Cut to stripe. All the measurement is going to be in the pattern file. Attach elastic. Turn right side out. Get your back piece and your stripe, just insert inside the right side together with the main fabric. Insert your neck stripe as well. For this step, I'm using my overlock machine, but you can use your sewing machine as well, but I prefer to use my overlock machine here. And to attach the neck stripe, I'm using my sewing machine, and make sure you backstitch a few times. Trim the excess fabric. Get your back piece and your waistband. Fold your waistband in half to find the middle and mark. Now place right side together. Roll the back piece as much you can so that way we can fold the band around right side together. And so you can blast stitch first if you like. Turn right side out. Add elastic. The width for the elastic also going to be in the pattern file. Blast stitch in your sewing machine. That's just to make it easier for us when you insert it to the front piece. Get your front piece, just place so that way we can mark a hole to insert the band. Do the same on the other side. I like to mark with pin, and I do the same on the other side so that way make sure my two holes is on the same place. Get your seam ripper and then just rip the thread from the pin length that we mark. Check if the band is going to fit. You don't need your pin anymore, you can take off your pin. Turn the front right side out. . insert your band through that hole. Put it inside, just put your finger inside and then catch the band from the inside and pin. Turn inside out. Go ahead in your overlock machine and then just stitch. Make sure you don't trim the elastic. Mark another hole and then use your seam ripper just to rip. We need this hole to turn our swimsuit right side out after. Again, turn right side together. Place your back crotch seam right side together with the main fabric, just with the main fabric, not with the lining. And then put your finger through that hole that we made earlier, and then grab the back and then the front piece main fabric as I'm showing here. And pin. Go ahead in your overlock machine and stitch. Turn right side out. And don't forget to close that hole that we left. This hole, you can close the hole with a hand stitch, with invisible zip, or just a straight stitch. And your one-piece swimsuit is done, designer. I am obsessed with this one piece. It's so cute. Thank you so much, designer, and I'll see you in my next video.